Welcome back to our little adventure in Paris as we wrap up our week with a stay at the most expensive hotel we have stayed at in our entire lives, at the Hotel du Louvre. We are Jordan and Soph, a couple who left our lives in Alaska behind to travel to 40 countries in 1 year, which has brought us to France, where we started by hiking in the French Alps and are now in the City of Lights, exploring cathedrals, famous landmarks, cafes, and all that this city has to offer to travelers exploring completely on our own. After a packed week, it was time to treat ourselves to 24 hours of luxury after a very budget stay. So I just wanted to give a really quick tour of where we have been staying here in Paris. It will be a super quick tour because, well, this really is it. We were lucky enough to find an Airbnb that was under 100 euros per night, less than 15 minutes from the Louvre. So that was a huge win for us because when we were looking on Airbnb, we could not believe the prices of hotels and stays that would be affordable without being super far, like on the edge of Paris or kind of outside the normal circle of Paris, or the 12 arrondissements. I think this is in the second arrondissement. I could be wrong about that, but we're just a little bit north of where the Louvre is. So we've been able to, in the morning, get up, walk to the Louvre, walk to Notre Dame. We even walked to the Pantheon from here. So I think it's really made our Paris experience being this close inside the city. But we had to sacrifice some comforts. So here's the setup. Jordan slept up in this little loft. I slept on this little couch with my feet hanging over the edge, and there's no AC, just a window. Also no window screen, so I've been waking up with bug bites on my face. And yeah, then we have a little kitchen, a little bathroom in this teensy little apartment. Give us a kitchen tour, Jordan.
So right here you have the kitchen sink where you can wash your dishes. You have a hot water heater. You have 2 burners that we did not use at all because the Paris food was pretty good, though expensive. But you know, when we did eat here, it was mostly just baguettes and butter. And then there was some coffee and some other stuff here. So it was actually pretty well stocked for an Airbnb.
Give us a bathroom tour.
Oh, our bathroom room. This will take exactly 3 seconds. So it's basically a closet where you like squeeze right here to go to the bathroom, squeeze right here to use the sink, and then you squeeze right here to use the shower. Really, oh, not quite, but I can about touch from one side to the other side, and then I can definitely just like touch from here to here. So very small.
Here are the beds. But why are we doing this, Jordan? Where are we going to next?
We decided to cash in some of our World of Hyatt points, and so we are going to Hotel du Louvre, which if you were to book it without points, it would be $1,000 a night. We, of course, cannot afford that, nor would we spend that much money on one night in Paris, but 40,000 points from Chase transferred over to the World of Hyatt has gotten us 1 free night stay at Hotel du Louvre.
So we are all packed up here with our few belongings, and we are heading over to check into the Louvre Hotel now, which is crazy because, yeah, it's way too fancy for us, but we're really excited to see it.
I fully expect us to show up in like our, at this point, fairly grungy clothes. We've been traveling for 9-10 months now, along with our backpacks, and then everyone else to be wearing like suits and like have like Louis Vuitton bags and just everything super fancy.
Yeah, so we are gonna go there next. We are very curious to see what our points might include. We know it costs extra to even have breakfast, and breakfast here are like 30 euros a person. So we are gonna see if like that's included or not. But anyway, we'll show a quick little blurb of our time at the Louvre because the hotel is literally across the street from the Louvre. It's so incredible. The Hotel du Louvre was built in 1855, consistent with George Eugene Haussmann's architectural redesign of Paris as ordered by Napoleon III. The hotel has had many famous guests throughout the past century, including Victor Hugo. The hotel was redesigned in 2019 and today has 164 rooms, including 54 suites. We made it! We just checked in and oh my gosh, I love it. It's teensy, like it is so small for an $1,000 room, but it's so nice. So we literally just set our bags down. We haven't checked out anything, so let's check it out. First things first is to check out the view. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Jordan. Oh. Having a little balcony in Paris is my dream. Oh my god. So we're overlooking the Palace Royal right there. This is so beautiful, and this is like a dream come true moment for me. It's so pretty up here, and it's fun just to kind of like watch Paris, just have like a little daily life below. Oh my gosh. We're so high up. We're on the 5th floor right now. It's so pretty. Now time to check out the rest of the room. So it looks like over here we have an espresso machine, which I've really come to love Nespresso machines. Let's see what's in the box. We have some Nespresso pods, some tea. This says lemonade artisanal, which is weird because it just looks like water. We'll have to see if it has a hint of lemon. Oops. Madeleines, which I think is a kind of cookie. Marcel Proust was inspired by his regular visits to the Louvre for his literary works. Happy tasting. Ah yes, little Madeleine cookies, which are very classic here and we actually haven't tried yet, so that'll be fun. They're shaped like a little seashell on top. Now let's see what's in the little fridge. That looks like the fanciest water of my life. That's so cute. I hope it doesn't cost extra. A chilled wine glass, which is good because we brought our own €3 wine. Okay, let's check out the bathroom. Look at this teeny little door. Ooh, it's actually big in here. It's like bigger than the room.
This bathroom is legit nearly the same size as the room.
We have a robe, a little soap, a big shower. For Paris, this is a massive size shower. We've been showering in a little closet, like barely enough room to move, so this is luxury in Paris. Let's check out the closet. It's probably pretty standard. Very standard closet. And oh my gosh, a little journal that says the Louvre on it. So I can take it and have a little journal to write all my Parisian thoughts in. I love it. And a pen, another souvenir. Oh, it doesn't say the Louvre on it, never mind. All right, that is the tour. Just kidding, there's more to this place. There's a gym, which we've missed having gyms so much. There is restaurants. We'll probably just go look, not eat. Maybe we'll eat, I don't know. But yeah, this is home for the night. Prime Paris location.
What a nice, happy little splurge, am I right?
So happy. I'm so glad we had hotel points.
A splurge of $0 and just some hotel points, but hey.
A win. A win. Time to taste these Madeleines. Also, I need to make some coffee.
Always making coffee around here. Yeah. Such a perfect box. Should we save this box as a souvenir?
Yeah. It's like a muffin.
It does look like a muffin. First I thought it looked like a mushroom from this side, but it does look much more like a shell on this side.
Decent.
It's like a cornbready muffin.
Mm-hmm. So I just took a little taste of this lemon sparkling water. Holy cow, it's good. Jordan, I poured you a glass, try it. Also show the bottle. It's called Elixir or something. So good.
Ooh, that is really good.
It's like a lemonade, sparkling flavored water.
It tastes like there's sugar in it.
It does taste really sugary.
There are 31 calories, so it's definitely sweetened by something. It's not just like straight up sparkling water.
But it's so, so good.
Very good.
Here for that. It's not gonna last long. Cheers with our sparkling water. Next, we went and explored the gym, which we had all to ourselves and overlooked the street next to the Louvre. And we went on to see the very luxe bar on the first floor. We ended the day by watching the sunset at the Eiffel Tower, and we got some delicious Nutella crepes. The next morning, we got up at sunrise and crossed the street to the Palace Royale, which we had mostly to ourselves to explore. Then it was time to get on a train to start our journey to our 34th country for our trip around the world, which is Germany. So stay tuned, and we will see you in the next one in Munich.